Hello, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Matina. This screencast will show you how to add the last scene to your tour using Google Street View. First, you need to go into your Tour Creator project and click on Add Scene. Once you do that, you will see Street View here at the left side. Search for the place where you can find your species in a different area around the world. For my example, I am going to use monarch butterflies, which can be found in New Zealand. So I'm going to type New Zealand here. And I can see here that this ecosystem will have monarch butterflies in it. So you need to find a 360-degree image in Google Street View that will support your environment for your species. And once you do, you can pan through it and click Add Scene. At this point, you need to add the scene details for your species. I hope you found this screencast helpful.